I've not made one of these videos in a very long time. But it is what it is. Back at it. This is something I want to also add to my repertoire going into this year. But yes, we're going to explain, or I'm going to try and explain what I believe will happen to gold this week. As you've probably been aware, gold has not been shy. It has been completely bullish. Okay, cool. So, from analysis as well, I can definitely see it looking to just carry on to the upside, really. I mean, all it seems to do is keep breaking up and up and up and just, yeah, keep going non-stop. There isn't much I can say because there's no secret to it, really. But in terms of more details, what can I say? I can assure you that it is at the moment struggling to keep going up. Just for the time being, I guess it's Monday. It's trying to, you could say reset itself, reset the vibes, you could say whatever you want to say. And it's also kind of like waking up. But from what I can see is this is the range we're looking at. I would be seeking for a buy. A second. I'll be seeking for a buy from somewhere around here. There's a bunch of imbalance to the downside. So let me pull out the fib tool. Yep. This the high over here. Good. So this is a 4-hour demand zone. As of right now, we don't really have a perceived supply zone. This is the imbalance. Let's get rid of that. And this is another imbalance over here. So yeah. Now this zone is just above the 50% zone. I wouldn't really recommend looking for a trade here, even if price ends up going all the way down here and it works its way up. Just let it do what it needs to do. Let it break and create another zone. I wouldn't really seek for an entry through here because of the fact that it's above. It's in the what you call it, the supply zone essentially. But what I am looking for is either price to end up going here or down here and then pushing up, preferably here, because that's like the last proper block, high time frame block it created. Yes, next part is on the 15-minute. As you can see, price is very rangy. There isn't much movement. There has been no breaks, no potential for entry. If anyone has saw an entry here, well, I feel sorry for you because price is giving nothing. Like, it isn't saying whether it's gonna go up or down. Basically, there's no clear indication, and no amount of guesswork will essentially give you the right answer. You just have to wait and see what it does next. But as far as I'm concerned, I will set up an alert either up here. So let me draw it. Either up here. Here. Or from here. These are the three zones I would seek for an entry from, but most preferably be here because it's a block and it's just more stable, I'll say. Yeah. But yeah, apart from that, that's all. Good luck in the markets this week.